What is up mga ka-tech shop? Another day, another vlog. And for today's video, I'm gonna be fixing a Redmi Note 11. And the issue is no power. So if you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, John Burn Tech Shop. And also don't forget to check the description. I posted all the links for the tools that I've been using on my repairs, so you might want to check the links, and also the Enroll Asia link. It's an affiliate marketing website, so if you sign up you might earn extra money through that link. Alright, let's go. So let's get started on this Redmi Note 11. Basically the customer throw it maybe out of anger, so she throw the phone, and the phone is no longer displaying. The customer said that it's still working because alarm is still working, but on my testing here there's no power. But I think the motherboard is still working. Maybe the battery is just drained. That's why it's not turning on. So we need enough time to charge the battery. But I don't want to wait. Let's go ahead and remove the back cover. So for this model, you need to remove the back cover. I applied heat using a blower, and then pry the back cover. So I'm just using the blade and a prying tool. It's like a guitar pick. So all the tools that I've been using in my repair is on the description, so just check on it. And then slice it down using a prying tool. Slice down the glue that holds the back cover. And then just be careful because the fingerprint flex cable is near the at the bottom of the camera there, so don't over pry it, because you might slice the flex cable as well for the fingerprint. And then let's clean up first. Remove the old glue before disassembling the phone. And then let's remove all the screws that holds the back cover. Then there's two screws behind that camera cover there. Then attach the fingerprint flex cable and the SIM card tray. And then start prying the edges to remove the back cover. Then I got a new LCD here. Let's test it before assembling it. So good thing that it did not break the LCD, but even if the LCD did not break after smashing it, the LCD is no longer useful because it's no longer working, so we'll have to replace it with a new one. And the new one is working. The touch is also working, so we can go ahead and assemble or replace this LCD with a new one. So let's deattach the LCD, attach the battery, and then let's apply heat on the old LCD. Before that, we'll remove the cameras because we don't want to damage it while working on the LCD. So better safe than sorry. And let's remove the speaker as well. Alright, let's apply heat. Stop frying the edges of the screen. And then we'll need to put this earpiece cover, whatever it is, but you'll need to put it on a new LCD. Just use glue. And then let it dry. And let's remove this plastic from the new LCD. And we'll secure the flex cable with a tape so it won't keep on moving. Because if the flex cable is not stable, it's gonna cause a touch issue. And then let's clean up the edges of the frame so that the glue will hold the LCD properly. And then attach the new LCD. And then we'll wait for an hour. Let the glue dry for an hour. We'll use rubber bands and clamps to hold the glue, to hold the LCD in place. After an hour, let's assemble the phone, put back the cameras, and then put back the speaker as well. And then attach the flex cable for the LCD. Make sure everything is in place. Now we can put the back cover. And attach the fingerprint flex cable to the motherboard. Alright, the back cover is attached. Let's put on the screws. Let's test it first. Display is working, touch is working, so let's put on the screws. And then finally put the back cover. So put the glue and then the back cover and wait for another hour. Alright, job is done. So everything is working. So finally, let's put a new tempered glass for customer satisfaction. So that's basically it. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, Janburn Tech Shop, and check the description check the link on the description. right, let's go.